Sibingelele sikwamukele ke phina phila wethamele khona i1 KZN TV igama lami nguphiwe ngwakwamthembu sikhuluma nawe ke osula namhlanje sibheka nje isimo la khona othola ukuthi abantu bacindezeleka ngokomqondo oke kudingeke ukuthi kube khona ke inhlangano ke engenelelayo ukuze zikwazi ukuthi ke zilekelela abantu ikakhulukazi ngesimo ke sokucindezeleka ngokomqondo la esibona khona kuba khona nezimo zo depression kuba khona izimo zokhwandalala nayo yonke lento egcina ke iyenza ukuthi abantu noma umuntu engakwazi ke ukucabanga ngendlela ke okuyiyo kugcina ke kuholela ezimene eziningi ezahlukahlukene uthola ukuthi abanye bagcina ke bethatha impilo zabo ngenxa yaleso simo. Siyafisa ke ukuthi osula namhlanje sisibheke lesi simo ngempela ke emhlanganweni noma ke kwinhlanganiso ebekade ke ihlelwe inhlangano ke iFortunate Organisation okuyiyona ke ekwazi ukuthi ke ilekeleleke umphakathi osuke ubhekene nezimo esuke ke zithinta ukucindezeleka ngokwenqondo baphinde futhi ke balulekwe ngezimo ke ezahlukahlukene. Siyafisa uma sithi abakhulume usule namhlanje sulalele ke lumhlangano nabazwibela akho konke ke abakushilo uma ngabe sithi ke abakhulume.
Igama lami uNonhle Ngobane, Director of Fortunate Organisation, an organization that advocates for mental health. Today we are here at our second annual Mental Health and Wellness Seminar hosted at Entelene Nature Reserve along with Ezemvelo Wildlife, SMG BMW, Virgin Active, Elite Wellness, 10B Connection House, Standard Bank, with many more other stakeholders that are making this day a reality. Lolu suku lanamuhla, it's all about bringing awareness as we understand that mental health is the next pandemic as to follow COVID-19. So what we are trying to do is to bring practical tools and also to enrich each other with information ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sibe a generation or sibe citizen ephilayo even emqondweni besides emqondweni kuphela but siphile in every aspect of life. Thank you.
My name is Mzamo Ndlovu. I'm coming from Standard Bank here in Zululand. Firstly, I would like to thank Fortunate Organisation for giving us this opportunity to partner with them in terms of creating awareness for mental health in our area. So as Standard Bank, we'll continue to support the organization as mental health is very important in our country and in our area. So for us, it is very important because we are the biggest stakeholder in the area. Our clients are also the same customers that are living in the area. So hence we are saying we wish to continue to be partners with Fortunate Organisation.
Kuyiqiniso futhi olingananazeki ukuthi each and every department has its own frustrations. That's why we gather your legal people. That's why we gather your life coaches, your psychiatrists. We gather your financial planners. We gather people in corporate because kuyiqiniso ukuthi sonke siba nawo lawo ma frustration. It could be even at work. There's things called toxic workplaces. It's a real thing, you know. That system is also toxic. Isn't this ngakwazi kuyishintsha? But what we can do as an organization is to grant you or give you practical ways on how you can deliver yourself in that system that you can't change. But you have to be better for yourself, you know. So that's why the organization is formed just to bring that guidance and assist people in all aspects. We don't only end la sigcine futhi senza with ama community works, like I said before, monthly reset webinars, because we understand ukuthi you just need that safe community. You need the safe community to know that you are not alone. Noma kuthiwa it's not family, but kukhona futhi sisho sokuthi umndeni uyawuthola nasendleleni uyabo. So that is also the purpose of such gatherings and online webinars.
Igama lami nguProfessor Unathi Kolanisi. Namhlanje koluhlelo luhle kangakanana sikhuluma nge-mental health and building resilience. Kimina kusho ukuthi nje siyahlupheka. Njengoba bengibona nje ngibonile ukuthi kwezweni 920 million people bayahlupheka ngokomqondo. Lokho ke ulokhu nje abantu abareportile asizibuza ukuthi bangaki abanye abahluphekayo abangareportanga. Iyo lonto ngibona lolu hlelo ukuthi nje lu-powerful ngendlela esisimanga ngoba fanele nje siqhuquzele indaba yomqondo. Ngaphandle komqondo isizwe sethu sizophela, sizobhubha. Asikukudla kodwa okwenza umuntu ukuthi nje akhulise isizwe. Kodwa indaba yomqondo siba siyazi ukuthi is an engine. So if siyakwazi ukuthi sibuild umqondo, siyakwazi ukubuild amakhaya amahle. Siyakwazi ukuthi ingane zethu zikhule ekhayeni elihle. Siyakwazi ukuthi masemisebenzini singabi toxic. Siyakwazi ukuthi nje ilizwe lethu liphile kahle. So namhlanje koluhlelo lwanamhlanje ngizele nje lokho nje ukuthi nje asisebenzeni. Ngiyazi ukuthi i-mental state inayo nestigma. Asingasabini, asikhululekeni, asikhulumeni ngoluhlelo. Mama, baba, umuntu osebenzayo uphakamile usezansi ku-affecta noma ubani. So today is a beautiful day. Thank you so much.
Our business is built from the customers. So our main stakeholders are clients, so which is the community in the area. So if they living healthy mentally, so we also as a business grow. So that's how we build our business, that's how we support the whole community. So it is important for us as Standard Bank to be always partner in events like this because we want to help the community where we live. We also want to support them grow. We also want to help them to live financial healthy as well as mental healthy.
I-impact sayibona, but futhi enye into esenza ukuthi siqhubeke with these awarenesses or these seminars isidingo esisibonayo in the community. Asigcini kuphela ngokuhosta ama-seminars, but we also do community projects, and that's where we see ukuthi actually this is a need. Abantu ngaphandle, they are really going through a lot, and I'll just make an example. There was COVID-19, and some people haven't fully recovered, even with our businesses haven't fully recovered from that. Also, those finances can contribute into one having mental issues, because what we're doing as an organization, we gather various speakers to tackle this one sector called mental health. The organization Ayala in Richards Bay. For now, we are currently operating around the King Cetshwayo district. The organization is a year old, started operating last year, but through growth and the support we're also getting from U1 KZN. They're also, I forgot to mention, but they're also one of our biggest supporters in driving the mental awareness into people. They are not just an organization, they are journalists, but they also like to create a better impact in the community.
Today, I'm Mary Basson. I'm a senior nature conservator for Ezemvelo KZN Wildlife, doing environmental education and awareness for King Cetshwayo and Ilembe. Today, we're talking about mental health, and I think the environment is critical for assisting people to just get out there, relax, forget about daily stresses and all the things that are bugging us. And in nature, you can just be yourself. So getting yourself grounded and enjoying nature is really important for all of us. Well, I was fortunate enough to know Nonhle previously from doing environmental awareness here at Insuleni. And last year she invited me to the first mental awareness seminar, and I learned so much. I think often for all of us, we forget we do need to look after ourselves, and just meeting people who are maybe going through the same thing and looking for the same solutions and just trying to get through life in general. It's nice to know we're not isolated, and there are a lot of people out there who want to help and look after each other.
Ngokuthi mhlawumbe emakhaya ingane zethu namhlanje sinalabantwana bethu esibathanda kakhulu esibabiza amaphara. Lezo ngane lezo baya kuma drugs at times, not because bayathanda kanjalo. It's because of isimo sasekhaya. Umama uhambile waye emsebenzi noba ubaba. Mayibuya emsebenzini akaboni lapho ukuthi uzoyikhiphe laphi stress asemsebenzini usikhiphele enganeni. Ingane ibona ukuthi coping strategy yami angihambe ngiyothini ngiye kwizidakamizwa. So fanele sibe very careful. Ezinye ingane zizalwa nako kugula, and especially thina as i-African community sivele sibize ukuthi sibize ezinye izinto kanti i-mental health efanele siyibukele eduzane. Sihambe siye emsebenzini, masiye emsebenzini siyakhohlwa ukuthi manje ngizosebenzela umphakathi. Umuntu mayefika engena emsebenzini uthatha le baggage ebehamba naye ekhaya uzoyifaka la emsebenzini, kubekho kulaba bantu ukuthi abantu ba toxic, and asithandi leyo nto leyo. Masingena emsebenzini asikhumule ijasi lasekhaya singene lasemsebenzini, siphinde masithi siyaphuma siye emakhaya sikhumule ijasi lasemsebenzini silishiya kanjalo. Sizokwazi kanjalo ukwenza kanjalo ngokuthi nje sikwazi ukuthi sizi involve kwizinto ezokuthi it's not only about your mind, it's about the body, it's about the emotions, and it's about the spirit. Zonke ke zo 4 components fanele zitheni uzinakekele ngokulinganayo.
My name is Owen. I'm from BMW Richards Bay. So we've actually come here today to help with mental health. We've been sponsoring here. We've had people from Belito coming in. We're all around trying to involve ourselves in environments, whether it be in surrounding areas. BMW wants to be part of our environment, especially with a lot of our people being struggling with mental health. And we are here today helping, standing a hand and being part of everyone here. With the community, based on, as we've seen already, this whole foundation is just growing and growing and extending a hand to everyone around here. We will see next year it's going to grow even more. With BMW, we want to extend our hand to even with our clientele, having connection with people that can help and a helping hand with mental health and stuff like that. I mean, you can see people are happy, right? But it's easy to fake it. There's a lot of people walking with masks around. So we want to help the community by being there and exposing what is the real problem.
Igama lami ngu-Ayanda Lukako. Abantu abaningi bangazi as SMG Lady on your social platform. I am known as the Queen of Expensive Toys on Instagram. It is an honor to be invited in this event today, ekhuluma nge-wellness. Kubalulekile ke as BMW ngoba thina decided ukuthi we want to be part of Oceanate Organization Wellness Program. Ngoba we believe ukuthi if people are happier and their mental wellness is intact, then it's easy for them to strive for their dreams. And while they're doing that, Tina siyasizakala as a dealership because it means we've got more people who are going to be business owners. We've got more people who are striving to earn more out there so that they can buy our expensive toys, of course.
Mbukeli ke asibonge kakhulu ukuthi ube yingxenye yalolu hlelo ukusuka eqaleni kuze kushayelisa isikhathi sikulethela nje amazwibela akho konke ke okuthe kwenzeka. Igama lami nguphiwe ngokwamthembu. Ungcedi inyoni encane yasha amaphiwe yandiza. Ngivumelene ngiguqe esigoqeni sonke siyothi sukuma kube kusoluzayo. Inkosi inibusise.